Is acupuncture my last hope? All of us have to deal with problems in our life. For some of us, the problems seem to be relatively light and they are something that we can deal with on a regular basis. For others, the problems may come fast and furious and it may be difficult to get a handle on the situation. Some people seek medical advice for their problems, but, at times, doctors are able to do little more than give us something to suppress the symptoms when what is really needed is a cure for the disease itself. At times like these, many people turn to natural health and hope that it is able to take care of the problem. One natural healing method that many people try is that of acupuncture. In fact, you would probably be surprised with the number of individuals that try acupuncture in a last-ditch effort to solve their problems. What these individuals find out, in many cases, is that the field of natural healing actually only begins with acupuncture, but it goes much wider than that. A good acupuncturist will not claim to be able to heal the difficulties that you are having, but they can guide you through the healing process. Acupuncture has a lot to do with restoring and maintaining good health. It does this by promoting the free flow of life throughout our entire body. At times, the energy that is within us can become clogged or even imbalanced, and that causes a lot of problems in us as individuals. By promoting good health through a balanced energy flow, acupuncture is able to help us to heal ourselves and is not necessarily doing the healing itself. When used in connection with other forms of natural healing, the effects can be quite powerful. If you're contemplating acupuncture but are worried about the process, let me put your mind at ease. The process of acupuncture is relatively free of any problems whatsoever. In fact, the only problems that really could occur with any procedure, as they all involve the competence of the person administering the acupuncture. As long as your doctor is aware of what they are doing and uses clean and sterile needles from an unopened pack, you have very little, if anything, to worry about.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.